Welcome back, everyone. Today we focus on defining your restaurant vision. A clear vision guides operations and inspires your team. Let's dive into crafting a powerful vision. First, understand your restaurant vision. It's a long-term goal outlining your restaurant's achievements. It includes values, mission, and guest experience. A clear vision sets your restaurant's direction. Let's talk about crafting your vision. Brainstorm and refine your ideas. Discuss aspirations, values, and atmosphere. Align your vision with your business goals. Make it both inspirational and practical. Fit it with your market, strategies, and objectives. Involve your staff in defining your vision. Their ownership boosts commitment. Encourage their input. Now let's move on to communicating your vision. Share your vision with employees, customers, and stakeholders. Use your website, social media, and meetings. Consistent communication ensures everyone works towards the same goals. Integrate your vision into every aspect of your restaurant, from menu design and decor to customer service. Create a cohesive brand experience. Measure your vision's impact. Set metrics to evaluate progress. Use customer satisfaction survey, employee engagement, and sales data. Finally, let's talk about analyzing your vision's effectiveness. Reflect on your progress and how your vision has evolved. Are you still aligned with your goals? What changes might require you to pivot? Regular analysis keeps your vision relevant. To wrap up today's lesson, we will have a case study assignment for you. Choose a restaurant you admire and analyze its vision. What elements of their vision resonate with you? Thank you for joining us in this lesson on defining your restaurant vision. See you in the next lesson.